the world's first modern suspension bridge. When you visit New York City, you have to see the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. But did you know that this bridge was the first of its kind in the entire world? When it was completed in 1883, it was one of the first steel wire suspension bridges ever built. Today, it's a National Historic Landmark and one of the most popular tourist destinations in the city. The bridge was designed by American civil engineer John Augustus Roebling and his son Washington. It took 8 years to complete, but the result was worth it. The Brooklyn Bridge is a suspension bridge with a total length of 1825 feet. That's about 557 meters. The main span of the bridge is 1675 feet, or 511 meters long. This is the distance between the two towers and the bridge deck. The bridge is also 85 feet or 26 meters wide. The Brooklyn Bridge was the first bridge to use steel wires for the main cables. These cables are made up of thousands of smaller wires that are twisted together. This allowed the bridge to be stronger and more flexible than previous bridges. The bridge also uses a new type of steel called manganese bronze for its towers and other structural elements. This steel was stronger and more resistant to corrosion than the iron that had been used for bridges in the past. The construction of the Brooklyn Bridge was a major feat of engineering, and it had a major impact on the development of New York City. Before the bridge was built, Manhattan and Brooklyn were connected by a ferry service. But the bridge provided a more convenient and reliable way to travel between the two boroughs. In fact, the Brooklyn Bridge was so popular that it was free for pedestrians. Until 1886. The toll collectors were so busy collecting tolls from horse-drawn carriages that they didn't have time to collect from people on foot. Eventually, a fee of 10 cents was established for pedestrians and cyclists. Today, the Brooklyn Bridge is still an important part of the transportation infrastructure of New York City. It carries over 100,000 vehicles and 400,000 pedestrians and cyclists every day. If you want to learn more about the Brooklyn Bridge, make sure to visit the official website. You can also check out the video in the description for a behind-the-scenes look at the bridge's construction. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.